With the technological innovation, our life, our work, and our journey are changing every day. And the meaning of our ambition is to bring light into life. Quality first, gratitude for trust, dedicated service. LED Home firmly believes the journey with you is splendid. Established in 2009, Shenzhen LED Home Optoelectronics Company Limited is a modern technology enterprise dedicated to the development, production, marketing, and service of linear lighting products. With over 10 years experiences research and development, LED Home continues to bring new technological breakthrough to the lighting industry and wins various of certifications for exporting, such as ISO 9001, ETL, SGS, REACH, CE, ROSE. LED Home offers rich product choice on LED linear lighting solutions such as flexible LED strips, COB strips, built-in IC strips, DIY silicone neon, LED flexible neon lights, LED aluminum profile, and other relative LED linear lightings. For quality performance and technical innovation, LED Home has built Material Analysis Laboratory, Product Performance Reliability Testing Laboratory, and IES Test Room. Based in Shenzhen, LED Home has successfully developed subsidiaries LED Lighting ECO Limited and LED Lights Tech Limited, and abroad offices in Germany, Belgium, Dubai, Cyprus, Kuwait, and distributors in Changsha, Shenyang, Qingdao, etc. In the changing and fierce market competition, LED Home never stops pursuing of excellence and perfect, and insists on strict materials quality testing and control. Each step and process of production has been strictly controlled according to multiple inspection standards. Quality is our culture. As an advocate of fully automated production, LED Home continues to expand its production capacity layout with more automated production equipment and high-precision testing equipment, which has well-formed and independent integrated industrial chain for LED linear lighting. Fundamentally, LED Home guarantees the precision of products and the stability of supply for clients. To effectively meet clients' increasing demand of product capacity and bespoke product, LED Home provides effective application solutions, a variety of R&D and design suggestions, as well as various customized products. With its superb technological research and production capabilities, keen market research, as well as advanced marketing concepts, LED Home has won praise and support from all long-term cooperative customers over 10 years. While pursuing creative design and creating high-quality performance products, we treat every your product detail with scientific and rigorous attitude. We ensure that every product is 100% tested from raw materials to before shipment to minimize the defect rate, to produce first-class products, create first-class quality, and provide first-class service for customers is our goal forever. The production standards of each product are implemented in accordance with the domestic requirements of safety and environmental protection, which provides strong guarantee for continuous promotion of the stable quality and cost performance of energy-saving products into the world. Customer-centered, striver-oriented, quality strictly adhered, honesty management, embracing change, and winning future together. Distance is without boundary. LED Home is building a smooth bridge between the international high-quality products and overseas customers, and turns every customer's demand into its own mission. Our business has been well established in Europe, the United States, Middle East, Australia, Southeast Asia, and other regions, more than 80 countries and regions around the world. It has high-end brand global residential lighting, commercial lighting, and decorative lighting industrials. Currently, our brand's partners include Peugeot Car Lighting, Bentley, Maserati Showroom Lighting, Hilton and Sheraton Hotel Lighting, and related government projects in domestic and overseas. LED Home could be your OEM, ODM, and solutions partner. Making lighting solutions into brighter life with over 10 years experience. According to the business philosophy of honesty and integrity, LED Home flies for everyone's linear lighting dreams realized with better product solutions. LED Home strives to be one of the world's influential linear lighting solution supplier and to be one of the leading enterprise with social value.